So hello everyone. I hope you all people are doing great and learning this language in a fantastic way. So friend, you all know that I have keep challenge 1 to 30 days that I will not skip any day without practice and this is my 6th day. You can see that my confidence is on the high level. But friend, I learned many things because of this challenge and I will share all the things. And first I will show you that how I do practice front of you all guys, because you all want to know that how I do practice. So friend, today I am going to show you my notebook where I have written all the things related to English, and when I get time, so I try to learn that use. So I will also show you all that how I learn and how I do practice without any partner, with my notebooks, with my phone. And you know that I think you don't know that I'm not thinking anything. I take my cell phone and I start making video. And I will show you, this is my notebook and how I will do practice today. Because of this notebook, I will show you. I have no any practice partner, and friend, I haven't need to any practice partner because I have a belief that I can do, and I haven't need any practice partner here. I have some application. Because of that application, I can practice, and because of my cell phone, I can be a fluent speaker. So try to know your power and don't think about other what they are saying. Just try start speaking your English learning. So friend, as you can see, there are many things I have written in this notebook. I will show you that how I will practice with them. Actually, I'm sitting on my roof, and one lady, she's calling to, I think, his niece. So I was thinking that where it is, she's out from where she's shouting. So she is shouting in field. So I was thinking that what she is shouting. I think here is no any use. I will show you what to say to even. This use means what to say to even, not to speak of. गहना तो गहना उसके पास चूड़ियाँ भी नहीं है. How to say in English? What to say to even she haven't bangle. What to say to ornament? What to say to ornament even she does not have bangles. This is the correct sentence, and you can to practice with me, all my YouTube family. Like if we want to say in Hindi, गहना तो गहना उसके पास चूड़ियाँ भी नहीं है. गहना तो गहना उसके पास चूड़ियाँ भी नहीं है. So how to say in English? What to say to ornament even she have not bangles. Even she doesn't have a bangles. You can say like this. And I do practice like this. If I want to say, like here one sentence have written in my notebook, चाय तो चाय यहाँ पानी भी नहीं. चाय तो चाय यहाँ पानी भी नहीं. So what to say tea even here is no water. What to say to tea even there is no water. This is the correct sentence. So now I am practicing to all front of you all guys. इफ आई वांट टू से क्वेश्चन, तो क्वेश्चन उसको आंसर भी नहीं पता था, हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश. व्हाट टू से टू क्वेश्चन इवन सी he don't know about answer. We can say like this, and you can practice too. And if you want to remember for a long time, so don't forget to write in your notebook, and you can write in your hand. I also write, I used to write in my hand, and I always try to practice. If you write in your hand, if you go anywhere and you will suddenly you will see your hand, so you will try to read that word, and then you will try to speak. And so I read about what to say to. It means गहना तो गहना, जैसे कहीं पे दो वर्ड है, जैसे कि मोहन तो मोहन, रवि भी नहीं आता. हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश. नाउ आई हैव ऑलरेडी रीड दिस यूज. मोहन तो मोहन, रवि भी नहीं आता. हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश. नाउ आई कैन से व्हाट टू से टू Mohan, even Ravi did not come. No, I think that was wrong. मोहन तो मोहन, मोहन तो मोहन, रवि भी नहीं आता. Now, मोहन तो मोहन, रवि भी नहीं आता. What to say to Mohan even Ravi does not come. You can say like this. And I will do practice this use for a long time, so that I can practice well and I can speak without any hesitation. And this was my practice time, and I am showing to you all of you, so that you can practice too, because there is a will, there is a way. So try to follow these things, because God gives us lots of things, because we are human, and we have lots of technique. We can do whatever we want. If we are obstinate, if we think positive, if we are hardworking person, so definitely we can do. So friend, you can see that I do practice like this, and this is my 6th day, and really it was amazing for me. And I will show you some use too, like as if, mano ki, as if. This is second use, and I will do practice because of this use, with this use. As if, it means in Hindi मानो कि, वह ऐसा दिखता है मानो कि बहुत बड़ा व्यापारी है. वह ऐसा दिखता है कि मानो बहुत बड़ा व्यापारी है. So he looks so as if he is a tycoon. He is tycoon. You can say like this, and you can say he is tycoon. You can say also he is a tycoon. रवि ऐसा डांटता है मानो कि अमरीश पुरी हो. या फिर आप ऐसे कैसे, रवि ऐसा डांटता है कि मानो कि अमरीश पुरी है. सो रवि स्कोल्ड सो एज इफ ही इज अमरीश पुरी. रवि स्कोल्ड सो एज if he is Amrish Puri. So now I am going to tell you, and I will practice front of you all. वह ऐसा नाचती है मानो कि वह डांसर है. वह ऐसा नाचती है मानो कि वह डांसर है. She dances so as if she is a dancer. As if she is a dancer. वह ऐसा समझाता है मानो कि वह एक अध्यापक हो. ही समझाना. What is means of समझाना? I don't know. I am doing practice front of you all, and I don't know what is meaning of समझाना. And now I will try to know. I am trying to know what is means of समझाना. You can say कंसिडर मीन्स होता है समझना, इट मीन्स कंसिडर समझना. एंड नाउ मेक, वी कैन यूज मेक इफ वी वांट टू try to get anyone, so we can use their make. वह ऐसा समझाता है मानो कि वह टीचर हो. he make to teach us as if he is a teacher. You can say like this sentence, so that everyone can understand. And here is many uses I have written in this notebook, you can see. And I do practice like this. And nowadays I'm not getting time, but front of you all, it's my pleasure that I am practice front of you all guys. And this is not tough for me, because I am doing practice front of you all. That thing that I am beginner and I am trying to know all the things. You can do practice and try to talk most of time in English. And don't forget to, at last I want to say thanks to all that the person who is watching my video still now. Thank you very much, really, it's pleasure for me. And keep supporting to me. Because of your support, it give me lots of motivation for making lots of videos, and for creating new things for you all guys. And friend, you know, I learned many things because of this challenge, and I will show you all the things tomorrow. And you can do practice like me, and you can change all the things because of practice. And you all know that practice makes man perfect. And if you want to change your accent, so you will have to learn, you will have to practice because of some tongue twister. I'm going to tell you some tongue twister. I'm going to tell you some tongue twister, not some, just two, three tongue twisters, so that you can practice with them. And you will have to speak as much as you can. Like one tongue twister sentence, you can say like this: a red letter, yellow feather, red letter, yellow feather, red letter, yellow feather. And second is 4 fire fresh fish, 4 fire fresh fish, 4 fire fresh fish, 4 fire fresh fish, 4 fire fresh fish. You can do practice like this, like 4 fire fresh fish phone fill, 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 red leather, yellow feather, red leather, yellow feather, red leather, yellow feather. If you do like this type of practice, so it will change your accent, and you will be able to speak like a British. You will able to change your accent. And I learned many things from this challenge. I hope this video is very useful for you and you all guys. And I have shared my real things, my real I can say real experience, that how I used to do practice earlier, and this is the present time I'm doing practice front of you all guys, and you can do too. Okay, if you think the person who is fluent speaker, according to me, no one is fluent speaker, just they know that how to speak English, according to me, because I never think that I am a fluent speaker. I just think that I am able to speak English. So don't think, if you are thinking that the person who is fluent, so think that he has already given his time, precious time, 1 year, 2 years, they have already given for this language, then they get fluency. And you can speak too in a less time. Okay, so don't forget, and don't think about other, just do practice and just do work on yourself. I hope this video is really informative for you all guys, so must subscribe this channel and don't forget to like my video. I will meet you in next video tomorrow. Thank you very much.